Namaskar. Now I am here to tell you about the third exam, that is Praveshika Purna. To begin with, the first question is, this is in written. So we have written for 50 marks. So 50 marks is the written paper and 75 marks is the practical paper. So total marks is 125. So to begin with, the theory written paper, Adavus. So what are Adavus? Adavus are the basic units in Bharatanatyam. So they are done in 3 speeds and 3 stands. Which are the 3 speeds? Vidambit Laya, Madhyama Laya and Dhrita Laya. The 3 stands are Samapada, Aramandi and Murumandi. We can see the Chari Veda, Mandala Veda, Pada Veda, all those things, the Brahmaris, Utplavana, in the Adavus. We can also see the Asamrita Hasta, Drishti Veda, Griva Veda, Shiro Veda. So, Adavus are the basic unit in Bharatanatyam. Coming next is the Korve. What do you mean by Korve? Korve are the set of Adavus, the group of Adavus, the combination of the Adavus set to a particular cycle of Talam, and that ends with a Tirmanam or a Muktayam. This is called as Korve. The pearl, just like a pearl garland, there are different sets of adavus, different combination of adavus that ends with a tirmanam is called as korve. Jati. What do you mean by jati? Jati is again a set of adavus set on particular bowls. We have bowls like talangu, takadiku, takatadigina, tom, ta, tajum, tarita, jam, tari, jagataritai, tadigina, tom, takatadigina, tom, takadiku, tadigina, tom. So these are the bowls. And we have different adavus done on different bowls. This is called as jati, and we have the jati also ending in a tirman. So this is called as jati. The set of adavus performed on bowls, yeah, and that ends with a tirmana. In Korve, we can dance the different set of adavus on song also. That is Jatiswaram. So you can see different types of adavus that ends with a tirmanam in Jatiswaram. Okay, in Jatiswaram we have a set of adavus that ends with a tirmanam for a particular cycle. This is called as Korve. And Jati, the set of adavus performed on bowls that ends with a tirmanam. And coming to Jati now. Jati, there are 5 Jatis. There are 5 Jati. Trishra Jati, Chaturashra Jati, Khanda Jati, Mishra Jati and Sankirna Jati. Trishra Jati is 3 counts. Kita is the bowl. Chaturashra Jati is 4 count. Takadimi is the bowl. Khanda Jati is 5 count. Takatakita is the bowl. Mishra Jati is 7 count. Takita Takadimi is the bowl. Sankirna Jati is 9 count. Takadimi Taka Takita is the bowl. So there are 5 different Jatis. Next is Tirmanam. What do you mean by Tirmanam? The word only suggests Tirmanam. Tiramanam. 3 times. So a set of jati where ends with that ends with a tirmanam. Tirmanam means tadiginatom, tadiginatom, tadiginatom. So ginatom or kidadagatarikidatom adavu, that is done 3 times. Okay, or might be tadiginatom, takatadiginatom, takadiku tadiginatom. This is done. So this is called as a tirmanam. 3 times, that we do 3 times. Tadiginatom, 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 takatadiginatom, 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 takadiku tadiginatom, takadiku tadiginatom, takadiku tadiginatom. So this is called as Tirmanam, where we do Ginnato Maruvu or Tarikidato Maruvu 3 times to show the end of a jati or a kurve. This is called as a Tirmanam. Now, Natyakrama. Natyakrama is the way we perform the dance. So, how the dance is performed. आस्येनालम्बयेद् गीतं हस्तेनार्थं प्रदर्शयेत् चक्षुर्भ्यां दर्शयेद् भावं पादाभ्यां तालमाचरेत् कंठेनालम्बयेद् गीतं और आस्येनालम्बयेद् गीतं कंठेनालम्बयेद् गीतं from kantha the music comes कंठेनालम्बयेद् गीतं Hastenartham pradarshayet. So whatever is the song, the abhinaya we are showing with the hands, hand gestures. So suppose I am showing the song is Krishna ni Pegane Baro. So from my kantha the song is coming and Bhavartha I am showing with the hands. कृष्णानि वेगदे बारो सो हस्तेनार्थं प्रदर्शयेत् चक्षुभ्यां दर्शयेत् भावं the expressions are shown through the eyes. If I just do like this Krishnani begane baro, so it is very blank. So to elaborate on that, we have to show the expression through our eyes. Eyes is the vehicle of expression for a dancer. So the expression should elaborate with our eyes. Krishnani begane baro. So chakshubhyam darshayet bhavam Padabhyam talam achare. The footwork shows the rhythm. Yato hastas tato drushtihi. Wherever the hand goes, the eyes must follow. Ta, tai, tai, ta, dit, tai, tai, ta. Yato hastas tato drushtihi. Yato drushtihi tato manaha. Wherever the hand goes, the mind will be concentrating on the hands. Yato manas tatho bhavaha, yato bhavas tato rasaha. So, yato hastas tato drushtihi, yato drushtis tato manaha, yato manas tato bhavaha, yato bhavas tato rasaha. So, wherever the hand goes, the eyes must follow them. Wherever the eyes follow them, the concentration is there. When there is concentration, there is the rasa, the bhava on the face. When there is bhava on the face, the people will enjoy your dance. So the rasa is enjoyed, the enjoyment by the people. This is called as rasa. Next, patra prana. जवः स्थिरत्वं रेखा च भ्रमरी दृष्टिरश्रमा मेधा श्रद्धा वचो गीतं पात्रप्राणादशा स्मृताः जवः स्थिरत्वं रेखा च भ्रमरी दृष्टिरश्रमा मेधा श्रद्धा वचो गीतं पात्रप्राणादशा स्मृताः Javaha, one who is very quick. Sthiratvam, one who is firm. Rekha cha, one who knows the lines of the dance. Rekha cha Bhramari, one who knows the gyrations. Drishti Rashrama, one who has the consistency in the eye movement. One who is not blinking the eyes like this continuously. The dancer should not blink the eyes continuously like this because it will not bring out the rasa. So we have to be constant and consistent about our drishti vedas. Drishti Rashrama. Medha, one who is scholar. Shraddha, one who is having interest. Shraddha is interest. Vacho, one who can speak well. Geetam, one who can sing well. Patra pranaha, dasha smritaha. These are the 10 different patra pranaha. Patra lakshanam. तन्वीरूपवती श्यामा पीनोन्नतपयोधरा प्रगल्भा सरसा कान्ता कुशलाग्रहमोक्षयोः विशाललोचना गीतवाद्यतालानुवर्तिनी पराद्यभूषा सम्पन्ना प्रसन्नमुखपङ्कजा एवं विध गुणोपेता नर्तकी समुदीरितः पात्र लक्षणम तन्वी रूपवती श्यामा पीनोन्नत पयोधरा प्रगल्भा सरसा कांता कुशलाग्रह मोक्षयोः विशाललोचना गीतवाद्यतालानुवर्तिनी पराध्यभूषा संपन्ना प्रसन्न मुख पंकजा एवं विध गुणोपेता नर्तकी समुदीरिता Tanvi, one who is slender and beautiful. Rupavati is beautiful. Shyama, one who has a bright complexion. Pino Natapayodara, one who has firm breasts. Pragalbha Sarasa, one who is agile. Sarasa, one who is very witty. Kanta, one who is having a brilliance in her face. One who is having a bright face. Sarasa, Kanta, Kushala, one who is very intelligent. Graha Mokshayoho. She knows, she is so intelligent that she knows the beginning and ending of the dance. Vishala Lochana, one who has big eyes. Geeta Vadya Talanu Vartini, one who knows have the knowledge of song, the mridangam, tala, rhythm. She has all the rhythmic sense. Parardha Bhushana Sampanna, one who dresses herself so beautifully. She has presentability. She knows how to present herself. Prasanna Mukha Pankaja, one who is having lotus-like face. Evam Vida Gunopeta Nartaki Samudirita. Sabha Lakshanam. Sabha are the audiences who are watching your dance. Sabha Kalpatarurбhati Vedhashakopajeevitah Shastrapushpasamakirne Vidvadbhramarashobitah Sabha Kalpatarurбhati Vedhashakopajeevitah Shastrapushpasamakirne Vidvadbhramarashobitah. Sabha is like a kalpa vruksha. Kalpa vruksha is a tree which gives everything, whatever you ask for. So kalpa vruksha, the sabha is like kalpa vruksha. There are all kinds of audiences. So sabha kalpatarur bhati. There are Vedic people. They are like the branches, the people who knows Veda. Veda Shakopajivita, Shastra Pushpa Samakirne. So the people who knows other Shastras, Upanishads, they are like flowers. Shastra Pushpa Samakirne, Vidvat Brahmara Shobita. So all the scholars are just like the bees who just come and watch your dance. So the Sabha is equal to, they will ask, Sabha is compared to what? So Sabha Kalpataru, Kalpavruksha. Sabha Kalpataru Bhati. Veda Shakopajivitaha. All the Vedic people are like branches of the tree. Shastra Pushpa Samakirni. One who know all the Shastras. They are like the flower. Vidvat Brahmara Shobitaha. Now I'm going to tell you about the musical aspects like tala. What is a tala? A tala is a definite count or the cycle of beats with the angas of the tala is called a tala. That is the rhythm. So there are 7 different types of talas in Carnatic music. So each has its own angas. Angas are the divisions. So tala is a definite beat or count of a particular cycle of rhythm. That is tala. Tala means rhythm. Matra. Matra means definite count. Matra means definite count. Laya means speed. I have already mentioned the 3 speeds. Vilambit Laya, that is the first speed with slow tempo. Madhyamalaya, the middle speed. Madhyamalaya is the second speed or the medium speed. And Dhritalaya, the fastest tempo of these two. Dhritalaya. Avartana. Avartana is the complete cycle of a talam. Is called as avartanam. For example, if I am putting aditana, that is chaturashrajati triputatala, that is the other name for aditala, chaturashrajati triputatala. I will show you how to put the tala. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the counting of the finger is called as lagu. Turning of the hand is called as the dhrita. So this full set of the tala is called as avartanam. Now showing the angas of the tala. Anga means the division. I told you now, lagu, dhruta, anudhruta, pluta, kakapada. So these are the different angas of the tala. Lagu, dhruta, anudhruta, pluta, kakapada. Okay? So lagu means counting of the finger is called as lagu. Dhruta is turning of the hand and anudhruta is half beat. So other two we are not using that much. So it is not there in my knowledge also what is Pluta Kakapada. So I use these 3 in the 7 different talas. So I am giving you the same knowledge. Summer. What is summer? The song starting on the first beat of the tala. When the song starts on the first beat of the tala, that is called as sama. What is usi? Usi or offbeat. Usi or offbeat, the song starting on the second beat of the tala. So after we tap 1, on the second beat, the song starts. This is called as the offbeat. So these are the different knowledge about the musical aspect or the tala system. But still, I recommend you that you ask your teacher for clarity. Whatever your teacher teaches you, you should understand well and then you can use this as a reference video. Now I am going to show you the other aspects. Before that, I would like to tell about the practical portions. We have Alaripu, Pushpanjali or Kavitvam. First one, I would like to give a small brief about, want to brief about Alaripu. What is Alaripu? Alari means is to bloom. Pu is flower. Alari Poo. Here, the dancer blooms herself or himself as a flower and offers himself to the god or herself to the god. This is the very first item in Bharatnatyam dance. This is pure dance, that is Nritta. Nritta we have read in the second exam. Bhavabhinayahinantu nrittamityabhidiyate. So the dance which does not have any expressions or navarasas. So that is Alaripu. This is pure dance. This is done in 3 speeds and 3 stands. The Samapada, Aramandi and Murumandi. We use different Mandala Vedas, Pada Vedas, Griva Vedas, Drishti Veda. And this ends with a Tirmanam. Ta jam tarita, jam tari jagataritai, tadiginatom, takatadiginatom, takadiku tadiginatom. This is the Tirmanam of Alaripu. So this is a few sentences about Alaripu. Now presentation of Tirmanam that you will have to learn from your teacher. Kavitvam or Pushpanjali will be the first musical item in Bharatnatyam. Of course, if you are learning a Kavitvam, it is the first Abhinaya item that you will be learning in Bharatnatyam. Now I will show you the other Vinyogas and the Chari Veda, Utplavana Veda and Mandala Veda. You have to just learn the shlokas for Chari Veda, Mandala Veda and Utplavana Veda. But for your reference, I am showing the demo of it also. Now I am going to show you the Mandala Veda. Mandala Vedaha Sthanakam Cha Ayatam Alidham Prinkhanam Preritani Cha Pratyalidham Swastikam Cha Mothitam Samasuchikaha Parshvasuchiti च दश मण्डलानि वितानिह स्थानकभेदाः समपादम् एकपादम् नागबन्धस्ततः परम् ऐन्द्रं च गारुडं चैव ब्रह्मस्थानमिति क्रमात्. Now I am going to show you the Chari Veda. Chari Veda are the walking. Chari Vedaha Adau tu chalanam proktam Paschat chankramanam tatha Tai Tai Tam Tai Tai Tam. I will show you the legs for this. Chari Vedaha Adau tu chalanam proktam Paschat chankramanam tatha Tai Tai Tam Tai Tai Tam Tai 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 Tai. Saranam, you have to slide. Vegini Chaiva, you have to run on your toes. Kuttanam cha tatah param Taiha Tai Taiha Tai Taiha Tai Tai. Lutitam, jumping on your toes like this. Lolitam Chaiva Tha Tai Tai Ta Thit Tai Tai Ta Ta Tai Tai Ta Dhit Tai Tai Ta. Tatho Vishama Sancharaha Chari Veda Ami Ashto Prokta Bharata Vedivihi. Now Bhramari Vedaha Utpluta Bhramari चक्रभ्रमरी गरुडाभिद तथ एकपादभ्रमरी कुञ्चितभ्रमरीति च आकाशभ्रमरी चैव तथाङ्गभ्रमरीति च भ्रमर्यः सप्तविज्ञेयः नाट्यशास्त्रविशारदैः. Then Utplavanas, jumping, leaps. Alagham कर्तरी चैव अश्वोत्प्लवनम अश्वोत्प्लवन मोठितं तथा ता ता दे कृपालगमिति ख्यातं कृपालगम you have to jump high पंचदोत्प्लवनं बुधैः. Now in Tala system we have to recite Mishra Japutala, Mishra Jati in Ekatala. So just like the way you had told Trishra and Chaturashra in second exam, now you have to tell the Mishra Jati in the third exam. So Ta, Ki, Ta, Ta, Ka, Dhi, Mi. Ta, Ki, Ta, Ta, Ka, Dhi, Mi. Second speed. Ta, ki, ta, ta, ka, dhi, mi. Ta, ki, 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 ta, ka, dhi, mi. Again. Ta ki ta ta ka dhi mi ta ki ta ta ka dhi mi ta ki ta ta ka dhi mi ta ki ta ta ka dhi mi. One beat, four counts, third speed. Now I am going to show you the Vinyogas. अर्धपताकः स्तः त्रिपताके कनिष्ठाच्ये स्याद्वकृताम् अर्धपताकिकः विनियोगः पल्लवे फलके तीरे उभयोरिति वाचके क्रकचे छुरिकायां च ध्वजे गोपुर शृंगयोः युज्यते अर्धपताकोऽयं तत्तत्कर्म प्रयोगके कर्तरि मुखहस्तः अस्मिन् तस्यैव चापि हस्यस्य तर्जनी च मध्यमा बहिः प्रसारिते द्वे च सकरः कर्तरि मुखः विनियोगः स्त्रीपुंसयोस्तु विश्लेषे विपर्यासपदेऽपि च लुण्ठने नयनान्ते च मरणे भेदभावने विद्युदर्थे एकशय्या विरहे पथने तथा लतायां युज्यते यस्तु सकरः कर्तरि मुखः मयूरहस्तः अस्मिन् अनामिकाङ्गुष्ठौ श्लिष्टौ च अन्यप्रसारितः मयूरहस्तकथितः करटीका विचक्षणैः विनियोगः मयूरास्ये लतायां च शकुने वमने तथा अलकस्यापनयने ललाटतिलकेषु च लद्युतकस्ये निक्षेपे शास्त्रवादे प्रसिद्धके एवमर्थेषु युज्यन्ते मयूरकरभावनाः। अर्धचन्द्रहस्तः अर्धचन्द्रकरसोऽयं पताके अङ्गुष्ठसारणात्। अर्धचन्द्रकरसोऽयं पताके अङ्गुष्ठसारणात्। विनियोगः चन्द्रे कृष्णाष्टमी भाजे घरहस्तार्तकेऽपि च बल्लायुधे देवतानाम् अभिषेचनकर्मणि भुक्पात्रे उद्भवे खट्या चिन्तायाम् आत्मवाचके ध्याने च प्रार्थने चापि अङ्गानां स्पर्शने तथा प्राकृतानां नमस्कारे अर्धचन्द्रो नियुज्यते। कर्कटहस्तः अन्योन्यस्यान्तरे यत्र अङ्गुल्यो निःसृत्य हस्तयोः अन्तर्बहिर्वा वर्तन्ते कर्कटः सोऽभिधीयते। विनियोगः समूहागमने तुन्ददर्शने शङ्खपूरणे अङ्गानां मोठने शाखोन्नमने च नियुज्यते। स्वस्तिकहस्तः पताकयोः संयुक्तः करयोर्मणिबन्धयोः संयोगेन स्वस्तिकाख्यो मकरे विनियुज्यते। डोलाहस्तः पताके ऊरुदेशस्ते डोलाहस्तोऽयमिष्यते। विनियोगः नाट्यारम्भे प्रयोज्योऽयम् इति नाट्यविदो विदुः। पुष्पपुटहस्तः संश्लिष्टकरयोः सर्पशीर्षः इति पुष्पपुटः करः। विनियोगः नीराञ्जने विधौवारि फलादिग्रहणेऽपि च सन्ध्यायाम् अर्घ्यदाने च मन्त्रपुष्पे च युज्यते। Happy practicing to all of you. This is just a reference video, children, and all the friends. It's not only for children, it's for everybody. It is just a reference video. Any mistake from my side, please forgive me for that. And your teacher is your best guide. Please follow your teacher, and this is just a reference video. Thank you. Happy learning.